was wondering, what am I supposed to shoot? I don't know what to shoot. Okay, sorry, spoiler alert. So today, how to cut a pineapple with overly the. Oh my god. Give it up, because we wrote this without any spelling mistake. Do you all know how important that is? Like, to write something without a spelling mistake. I think everyone knows, it's only my dumbass who doesn't know. But I think this is a proper frame. It took me almost 10 to 15 minutes to just figure out the lighting and how can I make it pleasant. How can I keep the ISO proper? I still don't know whether everything is proper or not. Everything. I still don't know whether everything is proper or it's overexposed. At this point, I just feel it's all okay because everything looks.
Stop it. Get some help.
Bright enough. I just realized you always have content next to you. Always, you know. Like, I just purchased a pineapple yesterday and I'm supposed to cut it. Why not just record shooting? Why not just record while I cut the pineapple and I talk to you guys? So that is what the new content is going to be, guys. What's up to another Overly Das video where nothing makes sense, but we still enjoy making and you guys still enjoy watching. I hope you guys do, because if you guys do, please drop at least 100 likes for this pineapple. Come on. I know is that you need to cut it into 4 blocks. Why am I getting nervous? It's just a pineapple. Why am I speaking so fast? I need to breathe. I really want to get it. So sorry. I really want to get a tattoo which says breathe, because I really forget how to breathe. Okay, so guys, this is all you need to cut a pineapple is a pineapple. Wow. So this one I got for 60 rupees. Then you need a knife. Make sure that you have a wooden chopping board. Come on, guys. No plastic. It needs to be wooden because wooden looks fancier and it doesn't belong to the middle class, if you know. And you need a plate. That's all. Okay. That's all. So, pineapple is actually tasty. Cutting is very stressful. The main goal of this video is to finish cutting the pineapple and not getting distracted and getting bored and leaving the task in between. So that is the reason I'm shooting the video, so that I make sure my pineapple doesn't just sit in the corner and is waiting for me to cut until the time I go and cut the pineapple. It's all gone. Every time I say pineapple, you guys have to hit the like button. Oh, how painful is this? Ooh, 2 point. It does pain. Can it be a good scrubber? It's so rough. I'm already bored now at this point. But we're already halfway there. Let me know in the comments if you guys know how to cut a pineapple. Have you ever done it, or you just those lazy motherfuckers who directly go and purchase the cut ones, okay? If you think I'm overreacting, fuck you guys. It's difficult to cut a watermelon. I mean pineapple. Pineapple. Because there are pines, I think they are called as pineapple. Wow, Overly Das is making sense today. She knows what she's doing in life. Why is it turning yellow already? Just wait. How am I supposed to cut you if you start getting yellow? The juice is coming out. So how do they do it? It's like they cut it like this. They cut it into depth and then they remove it. It's called art, guys. Art. I don't think I'll know how this is done. Hey Siri, show me how to cut a pineapple. But I wanted it round and not like. So I am basically seeing a girl cutting a pineapple, then you guys are seeing me how to cut a pineapple. So now we need to cut these edges. Basically half of the fruit is gone. So nicely cut. There's no shape to this. I made my own shape. Let's taste. Taste test. Oh my god, I hope this watermelon. Oh my god, so obsessed. Oh my god, taste test. I hope this pineapple is juicy and amazing. It is juicy. It's very juicy. I know you guys are scared whether I'll cut myself. Even I'm scared for the same. But so far so good. This thing is wasted, my god. I feel bad. We can't eat this. We can't eat this. Wow. Such a nice pattern. Fruits are amazing. Sometimes you just like sit and wonder, like, wow, how did God even make fruits? They're so juicy. Pineapple, I don't know who started that. Pineapple on pizza. Then there's pineapple fried rice also. Okay, FYI, I just don't like fruits in food. Like, I don't like custard also. I never liked shakes, but then I started drinking banana milkshake, and then now it's one of my favorite. Then I love muskmelon milkshake. It's so good. Muskmelon is so good. Strawberry milkshake is babes. If you don't like strawberry milkshakes, we can't be friends. Okay? Like, we're already friends, but everything is so chikat. I mean, what do you call chikat in English? Sticky! Oh my god. Chikat is sticky, you dumb. I couldn't even guess it. Hi Siri, how are you doing?
Hi there. I feel good. Thanks for asking.
Love you, babes. Hey Siri. Subscribe to Overly Da.
I couldn't find that on Apple Music.
Hey Siri. Subscribe to Overly Da on YouTube.
Here are some videos of Overly DAA I found on the web. Take a look.
Overly DAA, she calls me. Overly DAA. That's it. Oh my god, there's another half to be cut. No one told you Overly Da to cut, okay? My hands are burning. This needs to be thrown. And one last piece. Here we go. Did you guys see the dedication? Just for you guys. Because I want to teach you on how to cut a pineapple. Such a productive day. See the wastage, and this is the final This is the final product. And this is the wastage. 1 second. I'll just clear up and meet you guys. Camera battery died, so I had to switch to my iPhone. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me cutting the pineapples. I'm gonna enjoy eating them now. If you guys did enjoy watching it, please let me know. And I haven't done a shout out from a very long time. I would like to give shout out to each and everyone who supported and was so warm when I uploaded the moving out vlog. And love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support, because that means a lot to me. Before I cry, bye. Don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to eat pineapple so that your pussy tastes like a pineapple. Bye. See you.
I'm done with all this FaceTime. Need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed.